Hey everyone, it's technology expert Burton Kelso here with another tech tip to help you get the most out of the technology in your life. Today we're going to talk about Scribd. Scribd is known as the Netflix of books because you get access to millions of books, magazines, audiobooks, and documents. We're going to switch screens here, take a look at Scribd, and see how it can work for you. Give me a few minutes here. We're going to move some stuff around and we're going to switch screens and we're going to take a look at Scribd. I know it's kind of a challenge to work with videos, but we're going to make it happen. Let me minimize one more screen and then we'll be at our desktop. And here we are. Scribd. Or maybe we're not. Let's take a look. Nope, we're still on me. All right, we're going to switch. There we go. Finally, Scribd. Scribd is a Netflix of books. As you can see from the website, you get access to books, audiobooks, and news magazines. For a low subscription of $8 a month, you can get access to 2 books, 1 audiobook, and countless magazines. To kind of give you some of the examples, let's click on news and magazines. After a few seconds, our magazine screen is going to pop up, and we are at magazines. So you get a list of all the different magazines that you can look by category. There's magazines recommended for me, but I don't know how those recommendations made it up there. There's politics, current affairs, science and technology, career and money, lifestyle, sports and rec, entertainment, and health and fitness. As far as books are concerned, you can get the latest New York Times bestsellers, or you can find some of your old classics in there as well, along with great ratings for each book. You can also go to audiobooks, and after a few seconds, there's audiobooks that you can listen to on the website. And the great thing about Scribd is there is an app too. And the app is available for just about any electronic device out there, whether you have an iOS device, a Windows device, and even Kindle. So if you have an e-reader, a newer e-reader from Kindle, you can enjoy books from Scribd as well. And there's also documents. So if there's any legal documents or any business documents, court filings that have been made public, you can also view those on Scribd. Another great thing about Scribd is sheet music. That's right, there's sheet music for popular songs. That way you don't have to make a trip to the music store to buy sheet music. You can always go to Scribd and get access to those as well. And finally, on Scribd, you can upload your own documents. So if you want to become a published author or just have documents published, you can send documents in formats such as PDF, text, DOC, DOCX, Excel, and even PowerPoint presentations. And you can publish those to the world so that you can allow everyone to see what you have created. So if you're looking for more knowledge or more books to get access to, check out Scribd. Low price of $8.99 a month. And as it says, 3 books, 1 audiobook, and unlimited access to magazines and documents. And that's quite a bargain if you consider if you get magazine subscriptions, all the clutter it can take out. So check out Scribd. I think you'll really enjoy it. As always, if you've got comments or questions, leave them in the comment section below. Would love to hear from you and find out what great tech tips that you would like to hear in the future. Speaking of videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. There's tons of videos there that are going to help you get the most from the technology you use every day. And follow us on social media. You can check us out on all the popular social media networks and get tips that are going to make you a tech expert like myself. Or maybe not like me, but close enough. So as always, folks, take care of yourself and do many things to make you smile. And thanks for watching.